It actually annoys her that here on this tiny little stage it will be Nina, not her, who's a success. A psychological curiosity, my mother. Unquestionably talented, intelligent, can sob over a book, reel of the entire necrosis by heart, nurse the sick like an angel, but try to praise a deuce in front of her presence. That's it. You should praise anyone but her. You have to write about her, rave about her, go into ecstasies over her acting in The Flume of Flames. But in this country, where she can't get these opiates, she's bored, bad-tempered, and we are all her enemies. We are all to blame. She's superstitious nowadays. I don't know why. She's afraid of these 3 candles, number 13, and stingy. She has 70,000 rubles in her account. But ask her for a small loan. She'll burst into tears. She loves me not. She loves me. She loves me not. She loves me. Of course, my mother is not loving me anymore. She wants to live, love, wear bright dresses. But here I am, 25 years old, a constant reminder that she is not young anymore. When I am not here, she is 32 years old. But now I am here, she is 43 and she hates me for that.